Hey, what's going on, Freedom Mirrors? All right, so monitor your heart's attention in your online business. Uh, so your emotional attention, what I call that is substitute your emotional attention. Monitor it monitor where it's going and how it does and how it benefits you. So if it's going towards, like, if you're constantly emotionally thinking about negativity, you need to see how that's manifesting in your life and change it. However your heart, however your heart is captured, your mind is reflected. Whatever dominates your mind is in visibility in your is in dominant visibility in your life. Make your pain your content, so it'll profit you if you have a solution to sell to others. So make your pain your profit. Make your pain your content. If you overcome it, it'll become a profit if you have a solution to sell to others.